Hi, this is the Hi, this is the ZTE Blade V50 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the Settings app and then tap to Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click here to this switcher. After deactivating a Wi-Fi option, you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from them and enter here the password. If you want to see the password, you should click here to this eye icon. Then just tap to connect, wait a couple of seconds, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, if you want, you could use other networks also by the same way. Just enter the password, tap to connect, and after that you could switch between these networks. You could see all of the saved networks, all of the connected before networks here in saved networks list. So you could just if you want to forget these networks, to share with the password with someone, or just to connect to them. And also we get one more way how we could connect our device to Wi-Fi. Open first the control panel and you will see here the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click here to this icon with your finger, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while. After that you could use one from the networks from here, or just to click to more settings. And that's it. You'll launch full Wi-Fi settings, and by the same way you could use here all of the settings and to connect to other networks. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.